Good morning. Today we have 2017 Chevy ACADIA. I wanted to show you something. These injectors are GDI, as you see, gasoline direct injection. And they have this little adapter here, or clip, which has a specific form. This is very tricky because remove this injector from the rail. It takes me a little bit to understand how to do it. As you see, this is the rail. People bring me the rail because they don't know how to remove the injectors from there. So it has the same form, but when the injector is inside, you cannot see how they go. So they have a specific form to get into the to get into the rail. And then you have to twist the injector in order to put this little clip. So I remove the injectors, I am cleaning the injectors and testing. And when I will put the injectors in the rail, you will see how they go. Okay, here we have the Chevy ACADIA injectors after the ultrasonic cleaning process. I'm testing the injectors under different RPMs, 1800, 3600, 5500, 760 RPMs, 200 RPM cranking mode. And as you can see, the injectors are working perfectly. Very good spray. And I will proceed with the static flow mode in order to check if all the injectors are flowing the same amount. And it's 1 by 1, 15 seconds. And that will let me know how many cc those injectors are. So let's gonna see how the injectors are. Okay, as you can see, they are flowing almost 60 milliliters. 1 by 1, we will see how the injectors are. And when it's done, the equipment, the machine, will let me know how many cc those injectors are. Okay, we finished already. Maybe this is the problem. This injector is flowing 1,198. And these injectors are 1,073. So I'm pretty sure that this is the injector that is causing the problem on the vehicle. These motors and this system, GDI, are very sensitive. So when they have a little bit of difference in the CC, they will send, the computer will understand that has a failure because the motor is not in a balanced mode. So we will try to clean this injector again in order to see if this injector recuperate the correct flow. And if not, this customer have to replace that injectors. Let's see what happened. In the moment I was performing this test, a customer came with these injectors. See how bad they are. It's a 2001 Ford F-150. So I also will clean and perform the service to these injectors to let these injectors 100% working in order to have a beautiful and reliable motor in this Ford 2001 F-150. Well, definitely this injector must be replaced in order to avoid any issues, situations, or check engine lights, because this cylinder is flowing more than it should be. 1,073 is the correct amount, and this is 1,198 cc. That little different could make a failure in the motor. Well, but then after this, I will install the injectors that are fine in the rail, and you will see how it goes. That's the reason of this video. I would like to share with you how to do it. This is how we install the little Teflon seals that goes here in the nozzle of the injector. So you need this conic piece, you need this adapter or this tool. You push it a little bit inside, you let that disc get a little bit open in order to push completely. It's a little bit tricky, but it's the way it is. And then you rectify with this conic place tool. You see, this is a small size, this is a big size. So you put it there in order to correct the Teflon seal. And then we have another tool which is more tight, is the pass 2 or number 2 tool. And then you get ready. Filters are already installed, seals is already installed, and this is already installed. Injector is clean, very clean. And let me finish and then go past to the rail session. These little parts are very important to be installed new. You know why? Because if not, you have a leak air inside of the cylinder, creating problems, loss of power, and failures on the motor. Check engines. If you don't install this new and in the proper way, you will have a leak air, and also compression will go out because this not sealed. When it's new, it will seal perfectly. This is the importance of this Teflon seals in the GDI injectors. Okay, I want that you check the shape of this rail, and I need that you check the shape of this clip. So the correct form is only one. So you push it through and it go in, and then you have to move the injector. You have to move the injector to align it with the connector. As soon as you align it, you click in it, you connect it, and you put the secure button in. And then you have this little piece of clip that has this little thing that goes specifically in this little part. So when the injectors is already placed, you have to install this little clip in the injector, and that shape have to go inside of that. So that makes that the injector cannot be moved from one side to the other one. That hold the injectors in that specific place. That's the correct form to install the injectors on the rail in the Chevy ACADIA. Done.